Plants like peppers and tomatoes can grow wild. Control and sculpt your plants by pruning them. The first step is to remove leafy areas that aren't receiving enough light and any leaves that look unhealthy. Don't remove fruits in shaded areas, because these are what you'll want to collect come harvest. Make sure to cut right above the growth node, or else there'll be an awkward section of stem left over. Always use clean shears. The second step to pruning is to examine the space and designate an area for the plant to grow. The area shouldn't cover or overlap with any other plant's designated areas. Ensure there's adequate light for the type of plant you're growing. Remove any stray growth that falls outside the designated growing area to create a more bushy plant. When fruits are forming, pinch off side shoots coming from the main stem so that nutrients are focused on forming fruits rather than forming more branches. Prune regularly to control your plant's growth. You can now enjoy and watching your fruiting plants grow and mature and savor delicious fruits. Contact us anytime if you have further questions. Grow healthy, live tasty.